Hello everyone, my name is SMJ-Tech and today we'll be learning how to insert a diagram or a picture in our document. So today what we'll do is insert a picture on our title page just to give you an idea of how to insert pictures. So first of all, we'll go to the insert ribbon in Word. Over here we have an interesting looking icon for pictures. As soon as we click it, we'll get two options. One option is to insert picture from this device. It will also give you a tip tool over here to help you out what it means. So it means that your picture is residing on the system that you're sitting at. So you can simply select and go to that location and insert a picture. Second option is to insert a picture from your online source. So we'll validate these both options and let's see what happens. So first we'll select the on device option, and over here we are taken to a location where pictures are residing. You can browse through your system and select the location of the picture. After selecting, simply insert, and the picture is immediately inserted into the document. You can then adjust its placement as per your document. Okay, we will just resize it a bit just to align it with our title, and just a bit more. Okay, and as soon as the picture is selected, it will also give you an option for formatting it. So simply select any format that you want or just click outside of the picture, and there you have it. So this is one option of inserting a picture. The other option is to insert a picture from an online source. So we go to the Insert Pictures tab again and select Online Pictures. Over here, it by default goes to the Bing server, and we select a category from multiple options displayed over there. Select one picture and insert. It will download the picture from the online resource and place it within the document. You just simply adjust it as per your requirement. You can also crop the picture as per you need. Here we are. We tried two options for inserting pictures in document. You can use this option to insert diagrams or any appropriate imagery in your document to either beautify it or give clarity to whatever you have written in the document. So this is one of the very interesting features of Word, where you can utilize it for placing your own local pictures, or you can also search through their online web search option and insert online pictures if you don't have one that you need. So this is all for today, and we'll be learning about a couple of new features in our upcoming videos. Till then, Allah Hafiz and goodbye.